Good afternoon, YouTube, and today I'm here to show you how to convert a decision tree to a decision table. So the decision tree we have over here is just an example over here. Is a Phoenix ice skating ring admission charge. Okay, so this is what we start off with. Then we break into what you call conditions. We have less than 5 years, 5 to 13 years, and greater than 13 years, each breaking off into a different outcome. So the two outcomes for less than 5 years is either own skates or hire skates. Own skates or hire skates, own skates or hire skates. Okay, so sorry, I made a mistake. These are the conditions also. So there can be more than two sets of conditions. These are conditions, and these are the outcomes. The prices are the outcomes. $6, $9, $9, $12, $12, and $15. Okay, so I have converted that tree diagram into this table. Now, apologies for the image quality, because I just took a picture of it, because that's the only way I can put it up. I'm not going to type all this up on a document. It takes too long. So as you can see, I've got the plain basic layout, the conditions here on the left, the rules on the right, and the actions here at the bottom. Obviously supposed to have lines and shapes, but yeah. So the conditions here is, like I said before, less than 5 years, 5 to 13 years, greater than 13 years old, own skates or hire skates. You don't have to write out own skates or hire skates, 8 times. You just got to write it twice, because there's only two outcomes. Okay. So your actions at the bottom, I've summarized the actions to 6, 9, 12, and 15. The diagram here says $6, $9, 9 again, 12, 12, and 15. You don't have to do that. You can just summarize it to three key figures: $6, $9, $12, and 15. Sorry, four key figures. So I've summarized it into four key figures. Okay. So here's what we did. We started off with less than 5 years. We tick that box. If they're less than 5 years, they can't be 5 to 13 years old, and they can't be greater than 13 years old. However, they can either own a skate or hire a skate. So let's say they own a skate. So they're less than 5 years, can't do that, but they can own a skate, but they can't hire a skate. So their action is $6. Where do we get the $6 from? We got it off here. Less than 5 years, owns a skate, $6. We move to the next one. We have to go again less than 5 years, because there's a different option, hire skates. We tick 5 years. Remember, they can't be 5 to 13. They can't be greater than 13. Let's say they don't own the skate, but they hire a skate. Okay. So remember, in the actions, once again, it's it's $9. It's not corresponding. It's $9. But remember, it can't be $12. It can't be 15, or it can't be 6. All those options are cancelled out. So we move on to the next one, which is 5 to 13 years old. We tick the 5 to 13, cross 5 and cross greater than 13, because they can't be more than one age group. They can either own the skate or hire. Let's say they own a skate, bang, $6, $9. They can't have $6, they can't have 12, they can't have $15. So we automatically know that. Okay, we've got to do 5 to 13 again, because there's a different option, hire skate. Okay, so we tick 5, we cross that, we cross own skate, we tick hire skate, $12. Can't have any other outcome. Moving on to greater than 13 years old. We tick that. They can't be less than 5. They can't be 5 or 13 years old. They can own a skate, but they can't hire. Just choose one of the options. They will do that. They get the $9 one. Can't get any other option. Can't get any other action. Let's say they're greater than 13 years old, can't be 5 to 13. Let's say they don't own a skate, but they hire a skate. Remember, they can't do both. Well, then they don't get 6, they don't get 9, they don't get 12, they get $15. Remember, they get $15 because over here, greater than 13, hire skates 15. So pretty much that's how you do a decision table. All you got to do is just cross out the wrong options and tick the right options. It's just pretty much, it's like maths, decision tree. So yeah, that's how you do a decision tree. I hope you enjoyed.